Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Glamour with Tanya. For those who would like to highlight their smooth and silky hair at a very affordable price and flaunt in this Durga Puja's festive season, this is the video you should definitely watch. So let's get started. This is a non-sponsored video by the way. Transform your hair with glamorous highlights right from your home using this highlighting kit. It's also available in several shades. Let's see what's inside the box. Blender powder sachet, developer, colorant tube, conditioner tube, gloves, highlighting brush, aluminum foil, information leaflet and lookbook. So at this affordable price, this Streax hair highlighting kit is the best for me. But whoever have allergy tendency, please test yourself using small amount of this, then apply it on your hair. Let's start the process. Step 1. First wear gloves, mix blender and developer. Use aluminum foil and apply it with this brush. Wait for 30 to 35 minutes, then wash it and dry your hair. And step 2 is wear gloves, mix blender and developer. Use aluminum foil and apply it with this brush. Wait for 30 to 35 minutes, then wash with shampoo, then apply conditioner and wash after 2 to 3 minutes. And so guys, this is my final result. You can see and it's looking really good. I am very satisfied, but I don't know how many days this color will stay. And guys, please wear a mask when applying it on your hair. That's it, my today's video. I hope you guys will love it. Please like, comment, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Glamour with Tanya. Till then, see you, bye bye.